Namaskar, I'm Dr. Indu Agarwal, Department of Preventive Oncology, Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center. Cervical cancer, one of the most preventable, still one of the commonest cancer among Indian women. Time to say no to cervical cancer with the right test at the right time. What is cervical cancer? Cervix is the lower narrow end of the uterus, part of the female reproductive system. It connects upper part of the uterus to the vagina, the birth canal. Second most common cancer among Indian women after breast cancer. More than 60,000 females die every year due to cervical cancer. One woman every 8 minutes. Cervical cancer is unique among cancers. We know the causative agent, HPV, human papilloma virus, virtually associated with all cases of cervical cancer. HPV infection is a very common infection, gets transmitted through sexual activity, but the good news is infection is usually transient and clears on its own. In 90% of the cases, no treatment is required. What are the various risk factors which help in the persistence of the infection? Initiation of sexual activity at a very young age, before the age of 18, multiple sexual partners of either you or your partner, immunocompromised women, bad genital hygiene, multiple pregnancies, prolonged use of oral contraceptives, use of tobacco, it increases the risk 4 times. Now, what are the symptoms of cervical cancer? Abnormal vaginal bleeding, bleeding, spotting after the intercourse, bleeding after menopause, bleeding in between the periods, pelvic pain or lower abdominal pain, unusual foul-smelling discharge. But presence of these signs and symptoms does not mean you have cervical cancer, but if you have any of these, it is advisable to consult your doctor. It also doesn't mean that those who do not have any symptoms do not require cervical cancer screening. Screening is meant for all women, even if asymptomatic, apparently healthy. Screening aims to detect cancer at a precancerous stage. Prevention of cervical cancer requires two-pronged approach. Vaccination for sexually innocent young girls, screening for all women who are or were sexually active. Now, when to vaccinate? Recommended for girls of 9 to 26 year age group. Preferred age is under 15, that is 9 to 14 years, because immune response at this age is best and can be given with other childhood vaccinations. What is the dose schedule? If we are giving to girls under 15, just 2 doses are sufficient, 6 months apart. If 15 to 26 year age group, 3 doses. First, as on elected date. Second, 1 to 2 months after the first dose, depending upon the choice of vaccination. Third dose, 6 months after the first dose. All those girls who have been vaccinated still need to go for the cancer screening after becoming sexually active or after the age of 21. 2 vaccines are currently available in India, Gardasil and Cervarix. Both the vaccines are safe, have been tested in millions of girls, no serious side effect, it's highly effective if they are given in the recommended age group. Gardasil 9, though approved by FDA, is currently not available in India. Then we come to the second part of prevention, cervical cancer screening. It involves either the Pap test or the HPV DNA test or both. Pap test screens for the abnormal cells, which if left untreated can go on to invasive cancer. Cells are collected with a wooden spatula or brush from the cervix. In the HPV DNA test, cells are collected in the same manner, but we look for the high-risk HPV infection, which can cause cellular changes. Most of the cases of cervical cancer are among those who have not had cancer screening in the last 5 years. Cervical cancer screening guidelines. Less than 21 years, no testing. 21 to 29 years, only pap test every 2 to 3 years. 30 to 65 years, you have a choice. Either only pap test every 2 to 3 years, or you can go for pap test plus high risk HPV DNA test combined every 5 years. If older than 65, can stop getting cancer screening if 3 previous pap tests were normal, or if you have had your cervix removed due to hysterectomy for non-cancerous reasons. Vaccinate your daughters and go for cervical cancer screening. Cancer screening saves life. Thank you.